Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. It's over network media types. In this first point is three media types. Data is transmitted across a network of media. The media provides the channel over which the message travels from source to destination. Modern networks primarily use three types of media to interconnect devices, as shown in the figure. In the first is metal wire within cable. Data is encoded into electrical impulse. The second is glass or plastic fiber within cables, fiber optic cable. Data is encoded into pulse of light. And the last is wireless transmission. Data is encoded by modulation of specific frequencies of electromagnetic waves. We can see in the image the first copper, the second fiber optic, and devices wireless. The four main criteria for choosing network media are this. What is the maximum distance that the media can successfully carry a signal? What is the environment in which the media will be installed? What is the amount of data and at what speed must it be transmitted? What is the cost of the media and installation? The next point is common network cables. The three most common network cables are twisted pair, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. In the first tab is twisted pair cable. Ethernet technology generally uses twisted pair cables to interconnect devices, because Ethernet is the foundation for most local networks. Twisted pair is the most commonly encountered type of network cabling. In twisted pair, wires are grouped in pairs and twisted together to reduce interference. The pairs of wires are colored so that you can identify the same wire at each end. Typically, in each pair, one of the wires is a solid color and its partner in the same color strip onto a white background. In the image, we can see this background green with white, blue and blue with white, orange with blank, with white, and this color I don't remember. So in the next tab is coaxial cable. Coaxial was one of the earliest types of network cabling developed. Coaxial cable is a kind of copper cable used by cable TV companies. It is also used for connecting the various components which make up satellite communication systems. Coaxial cable has a single, rigid copper core that conducts the signal. This core is typically surrounded by a layer of insulation, braided metal shielding, and a protective jacket. It is used as a high-frequency transmission line to carry high-frequency or broadband signals. In the image show the coaxial cable. And the last is fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cable can be either glass or plastic within a diameter about the same as a human hair, and it can carry digital information at very high speed over long distance. Because light is used instead of electricity, electrical interference does not affect the signal. Fiber optic cable have many uses as well as communication. They are also used in media imaging, medical treatment, and mechanical engineering inspection. They have a very high bandwidth, which enables them to carry very large amounts of data. Fiber is used in backbone networks, large enterprise environments, and large data centers. It is also used extensively by telephone companies, and they must show the fiber optic cable. Finish with check your understanding of network media types by choosing the correct answer to the following question. In the first question, which of the following is not a criterion for choosing a network media? The type of data that can be transmitted, the cost of installing the media, the environment in which the media is installed, the maximum distance that the media can successfully carry a signal. And repeat the question, which of the following is not a criterion for choosing a network media? The type of data that can be transmitted, the cost of installing the media, the environment, the maximum distance. Okay, this is the type of data. That's right. Criteria for choosing a network media include the maximum transmission distance, the environment, the amount and speed of data to be transmitted, and the cost of the media and installation. Okay, the second question is what is the most common type of wired media used by TV companies to connect and carry signal to a set-top box within a home? This is coaxial cable. That's right, coaxial cable is the most common type of media used by cable TV companies. Question 3. What type of wire media is used to carry digital information at very high speed over long distance? This is fiber optic cable. That's right, fiber optic cable is used to carry digital information at very high speed over long distance. And question 4. Which is the most common type of wire media to connect end devices to Ethernet LAN? This is twisted pair cable. That's right, twisted pair cable is the most common type of wire media to connect end devices to an Ethernet LAN. Okay. In the next point is network media summary. What did I learn in this model? Network media types. Communication transmit across a network of media. The media provides the channel over which the message travels from source to destination. Modern networks primarily use three types of media to interconnect devices are metal wire within cables, data is encoded into electrical impulse. The second is glass or plastic fiber within cables, fiber optic cable, data is encoded into pulses of light. And the last is wireless transmission. Data is encoded by modulation of specific frequencies of electromagnetic waves. The four main criteria for choosing media are the following. What is the maximum distance that the media can successfully carry a signal? What is the environment in which the media will be installed? What is the amount of data and at what speed must it be transmitted? And what is the cost of the media installation? The three most common network cables are twisted pair, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. Ethernet technology generally uses twisted pair cable to interconnect devices. Coaxial cable is a kind of copper cable used by cable TV companies. It is also used for connecting the various components which make up satellites communication system. Fiber optic cable can be either glass or plastic with a diameter about the same as a human hair, and it can carry digital information at very high speeds over a long distance. Because light is used instead of electricity, Electrical interference does not affect the signal. Webster reflection question. I had no idea that a network needed to have different cables for different users. Did you? I thought all the cables were the same and that they all carried the same type of signal, an electrical interference. Now I get why my smartphone connection sometimes drops if I stand too close to my microwave. Do you know about all the cables that are used in your school or office network? Network Media Quiz. Question 1. A network technician is extending the network from the main office building over several hundred meters to a new security station. The security station needs a high-speed connection to support video of the main building. What type of cable is best suited to connect the security station to the rest of the main office network? And it's very important the distance. In this case is from the main office building over several hundred meters to a new security station. The best option is a fiber optic. The next question, what are two common media used in networks? This is copper and fiber. The next question, which type of network cable is commonly used to connect office computers to the local network? That is twisted pair cable. The next one is, which three factors should be considered when choosing the appropriate network media? Choice 3. Okay, the speed of CPU? No. The environment in which the media is installed? Yes. The data security and fault tolerance requirement? No. The amount of data and the data transfer rate desired? The distance between hosts that the media will connect? The operating system? Now this. Question 5. Refer to the graphic. What type of cabling is shown? That is fiber. Question 6. What makes fiber preferable to copper cabling for interconnecting buildings? Greater distance per cable run, lower installation cost, limited durable connection, greater bandwidth potential. Okay. Question 7. Which type of network media carries data encoded into electrical impulse? Copper. Question 8. Which two types of network media carries data encoded into electrical impulse? Choice 2. Coaxial cable and twisted pair cable. Question 9. Which type of network media carries data encoded into impulse of light? That is fiber optic cable. Question 10. A network administrator in a small office is upgrading the local network within the building. New network cables are needed to connect office computers and networking devices. Which network media should the administrator use? Twisted pair cable. A network administrator in a small office is upgrading the local network within the building. New network cables are needed to connect office computers and networking devices. Yeah, it is twisted pair cable. Question 11. What is the purpose of using twisted pair of wire in an Ethernet cable? To reduce interference, to provide high bandwidth, to identify paths of data flow, to ensure that the transmission of electrical signals is extendable. No. To reduce interference. Submit. Okay, 91%. Congratulations, You have passed the test. My bad answer is the one, no? What? Okay. Well, this is all for this. See you in the next one. Bye.